Hi everybody, today we're going to be working on a rhyming words activity, but before we get to that, let's quickly review what rhyming words are. Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end, like the words run and fun. Both of those words end with un. Run and fun also rhyme with the words bun and sun. These words all rhyme together because they all end with the un sounds. So you might wonder if words that end with the same letter always rhyme. This is not the case. For example, we might see the words that are here. This first word, it, is hit. And the second word is at, hot. Hit and hot, even though they end with the same letter, and they end with the t sound for T, and they even start with the same letter, the H, that makes the sound, they do not rhyme. Rhyming words have to sound the same at the end for more than just that very last letter sound. Another set of words that do rhyme are these two here. This first one is cat. We have k, at, cat. The second word here is rat. We have at, rat. Cat and rat both end with at. And that at sound is why they rhyme. They both end with that. Can you think of another word that rhymes with cat and rat? I'll give you just a second and then I'll tell you a couple more. One word that you could have said is bat, because bat rhymes with cat and rat. Another word you could have said is sat, because sat rhymes with cat, rat, and bat. Another one you could have said is something you wear on your head, a hat. A hat rhymes with cat, rat, and bat, and sat. We're going to be practicing more combinations of words right now. And instead of me giving you just two, I'm going to be saying three words. Every time I say a list of three words, only two of them are going to rhyme. A third word is not going to rhyme. It's going to be your job to listen and then say out loud to yourself or to whoever's watching this with you the two words that do rhyme. So if I say the words rub, dub, and cab, rub, dub, and cab, you would say rub, dub. Rub and dub rhyme because they both end with ub. I will not be showing you the words the way that they're written down because rhyming words are all about the way they sound. It does not matter if they are spelled the same way. So we're going to listen closely and you tell me which of these two words rhyme. Okay, our first set of words are bid, hid, and had. I'll say them again. Bid, hid, and had. Which two of those words rhyme? Okay, the two words that rhyme are bid and hid. Bid and hid rhyme because they both end with the id sound. Had does not rhyme. Even though it ends with a d for the letter D, just like the other two, it does not end with id. It ends with ad. So bid and hid rhyme. What about these three words? Bad, did, and dad. Bad, did, and dad. Think about it. In this case, bad and dad are the rhyming words. They both end with the ad sounds. Did, even though it ends with d, does not end with ad. It ends with id, so it does not rhyme. Let's try another one. How about ran, run, and bun? Ran, run, and bun. This includes some of the words that we practiced in the beginning. Okay, the rhyming words here are run and bun. Run and bun rhyme because they both end with un. Ran does not end with un, it ends with an. So it's run and bun that rhyme. Let's try these. Den, men, and ton. Again, those are den, men, and ton. Which two of those words rhyme? Okay, I hope you said den and men. Den and men both end with n. The letter N, but also the sounds that make the sound N. Ton ends with un. So it does not rhyme. Let's try beg, bag, and egg. Beg, bag, and egg. Which ones of those rhyme? Okay, those rhyming words were beg and egg. That was a tricky one because beg and bag sound a lot alike, but they do not rhyme. One ends with egg, and one ends with ag. And the word egg is interesting because the whole word rhymes with the end of beg. So beg and egg are our rhyming words. What about cap, cup, and pup? Cap, cup, and pup. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Cap, cup, and pup. Okay, cup and pup are our rhyming words in this case. Cup and pup. Cap does not rhyme with cup and pup. We'll do just two more. How about tap, nap, and mop? Tap, nap, and mop. Which two words rhyme? Okay, the two rhyming words here are tap and nap. They both end with ap. They also rhyme with a word that we said earlier. Can you think of another word that rhymes with tap and nap? The one that we said earlier was cap. Cap also rhymes with tap and nap. All right, let's try one last one for today. What about sap, sip, and hip? Sap, sip, and hip. Which two words rhyme? Okay, sip and hip are the rhyming words here because they both end with ip. Sap actually rhymes with the words we were just talking about. Cap and tap and nap. Those words all rhyme. But in this case, sip and hip, like your hip on your body, those two words rhyme. Okay, thank you for practicing with me. You guys can watch this video again as many times as you'd like. Try to think of more rhyming words that go along with the ones in our activity and see if you can practice writing some of the words that you hear in this video for a little bit of extra work. All right, thank you and have a great day.